Hello, anyway, I have made a video tutorial. It's about 4.5 hours long, and this tutorial is it's a video tutorial, and it's based on getting your car models that you have made in Cinema 4D into Need for Speed Most Wanted. It's not a very streamlined process. It's not a very smooth process at all. You might make a lot of mistakes, and you will create headaches for yourself. But so in my tutorial, I use this model here, and I have this model up for a free download. Um, uh, yeah, it's so basically you can pretty much do this tutorial with me. I wouldn't recommend doing it as you're watching, but do it after you've watched a certain segment. And yeah, and in my videos, I leave all my errors, all my mistakes in the video because the reason for that is in case you guys run into like problems, whatever, you can learn from my mistakes so that you will be able to troubleshoot your own mistakes and so on and so forth. So yeah, I go and I use this car model here, this Honda Integra, or also known as the Acura RSX. I made this car in 6.5 hours, and then the wheels in 30 minutes. So it's about 7 hours total. I made the car in 7 hours, and basically I get this car and I put it into I format it and I do a bunch of stuff to it, and I get into Need for Speed Most Wanted. This is the other program that is used for the finalization. Is Can you use those two words together? Anyway, to put into most wanted. So here's how it looks like before it goes into most wanted, and now let's go and check it out in most wanted. So anyway, my name is Anthony. That's why his name is Anthony. All right. So I'll go to my cars, and there it is. That RSX that I made in Cinema 4D. This is how it looks like in game. I go through pretty much step by step of putting it into this game, except it will require you to know, if you've made a car in Cinema 4D by yourself, you know how to use the program, and you should know the workarounds of it. It also requires Photoshop, so you need at least Photoshop CS3 to do this. If you don't, then you're kind of out of luck. But yeah, and you need Cinema 4D R9 at least, but with the body paint module. If you don't, then you're out of luck as well. So yeah, this is the car in game. The spoiler is an add-on in game. I did not add that. I did not make that. You can do wheels. You can change out the wheels that we put in. The caliper will not sit correctly. But that's fine. It can if you adjust it, but yeah. So that's that for that. So that's how it is in game. Now let's go and play this car. The tail lights and the nitrous effects, they work. The exhaust always shoots upwards because I'm guessing it's controlled on the y-axis, and we can't actually manipulate the axes of the nodes. So so it's always pointing up. I don't know if you're able to see, but it was pointing up. So here's my reverse lights. They're on. There's my brake lights. They turned off. My headlights. I mean the shader for the headlight details is white. So, but but the headlights are on. The car is about, I'm gonna say, about 80,000 triangle polygons. Yeah. So there it is in game. It works fine. There's a couple issues, but those you can sort out by yourself. Windows are not paintable yet. I'll put that as another tutorial later on. But yeah. So I added a license plate. So that's how it is in game. And yeah, this is just me trying to promote my tutorial and letting people know that it exists and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys find it interesting, please share it with your friends, your website, etc. You know, distribute it. The model is not a royalty free model. It's with the Creative Commons license. So yeah, you guys know all that hopefully. All right then, have fun and check it out. Thank you.